Hey, what's up, everybody? Coach Nandy here from Nandy After Dark. Matter of fact, let me turn my camera. I'm not sure why it's doing that. Not sure why it's doing that. I'm trying to turn my camera on, you guys. What's up, everybody? Coach Nandy here from Nandy After Dark. You guys getting here right quick, please. Hit the thumbs up button as you come in. We're not going to be very long. I tried to turn my camera on, but it won't let me. But I'll go live once I leave outside the courthouse and turn my camera on then. Let you guys see the outside. In case of trying to say I'm lying. What's up, you guys? So I'm going to be very brief. Let's see. Why my camera? Device. Hold on. Let me see. Let me see if I could turn it on, child. I think my camera was disabled is the problem. Let's see. My camera. All right. Let's see. I won't worry about the camera. I won't worry about my camera right now. Where are you? Okay. All right, you guys. I won't worry about the camera. You guys, please hit the thumbs up button while you're in here. Please hit the thumbs up. We're only on YouTube right now. We will be going live on Facebook shortly today. Probably within like the next hour or so. We will be going live on Facebook. I'm in court right now in Cobb County, and I had court today with a Carmen Maria Riley. I've kind of been keeping things under my hat as to the court date and things that's going on and things that I've been working on in the background. You guys, please let me know in the comments if you can hear me. Let me know in the comments if you can hear me, please. Looks like you guys can. Hit the thumbs up button as you come in, please. I am live from the courthouse this morning. No, this is impromptu. You guys weren't expecting me to be here. You weren't expecting me to be live this morning as we have an After Dark show. But as y'all know, this is Coach Nandy from Nandy After Dark. As y'all know, I've been tangled up in mess for Cobb County due to some lies, blatant lies that y'all all know. Because you've been watching for the last several years that Carmen has told on me to try to get me locked up, to get me put behind bars, to get a bond put out on me, to get my bond pulled. She's done so. I mean, it's just been crazy. So, as y'all know, if you're just joining, hit the thumbs up button, please, as you come in. Hit the thumbs up button. We're not going to be long. Once I leave outside the courthouse, I'll go live. I'll turn my camera on. I'll go live on Facebook through my phone's camera. Right now, it won't allow me to turn the camera on, access the camera feature. But I am live from Cobb County Courthouse. I had court this morning with Carmen. As y'all know, Carmen went down to Cobb County and paid $20 and told a bunch of lies to get me arrested and put in jail and have charges brought up on me. I have shown you guys the document, and we'll go over that again today when I go live on our Facebook page. If you're not following that page, you definitely need to be following it. Not the Nandy After Dark page, the Suge Williams one. But Carmen told the court that I put her social security. This is what she said to get me caught up in all this legal bullshit that I've been dealing with. These are lies that she told. That I put her social security number online. I calls her and threatens her family, and I threatens her friends, and that she's afraid for her life. That I put her phone number on file, that I send people down to her job to fight her, threaten her, harass her, and that she was scared for her life. She literally went and told the courts this to get our page shut down, to get me to stop talking about all the shit she was doing to homeless people. taking money, stealing money from homeless. And over the years, so she, as y'all know, just level setting for those of you who don't know, I'm live from the courthouse right now. Once I leave out of here, I will go live from outside. But we had court today. And of course, Carmen wasn't here because it's all bullshit. But I decided to take this a step further because this has caused me a lot of trouble. This has caused me, and this is exactly what she wanted. She wanted it to cause me a great inconvenience. She wanted me to get locked up, and she wanted us to stop talking about the shit she was doing on her page against homeless people across Georgia. And it didn't work. But I did talk to, I'm here at the courts today, and I did talk to the judge and the powers that be, the people who are here, and let them know what was going on, because this case has been dragging on, as you guys know, for quite some time. And I did let them know that, of course, these charges were like bullshit. They were trumped up, just pulled out of her ass from somebody who was desperately trying to get someone's page shut down on social media. So you go to court and make up a boatload of lies. But the problem with that, Carmen, because I know you're watching this live, the problem with that is you lied under oath, and I'm going to get your ass for that. I'm going to bring you up on big charges for that, and that is punishable by jail time. As y'all know, she just lost a big case against her with Karina for doing vile, vicious acts against Karina. And, that's just the beginning, because there's so much more coming down the pike for Carmen. So I am here live at the Cobb County Courthouse today, and I will definitely be bringing her up on charges for lying under oath. She told several lies. So every lie that she told under oath on that paper that I showed you guys, I showed you her handwriting, the original document, and I also showed you guys, you can go and pull it from Cobb County website. Like I went and pulled it and showed it as well on one of my previous lives. But every lie that she told will be a separate count. So you told several lies to the court. They make you put your hand on the Bible and swear that what you're saying and attesting to is true and actual and factual. And she sat up there and she lied under oath, and I am going to get your ass on big charges. So that is coming up. That and some other stuff that she's done. As y'all know, all the things that she accused me of, she and them did that to me. Over the years, they put my social security number on file. They put my online. They put my driver's license on file. They, put all my, I was living, when I sold my house, I was living at the Hilton, as y'all know. They put that on, and they made that public where I was living. Even the room number that I was staying in at the Hilton, they publicized that. Carmen went down to the Hilton, as y'all know, and I have it on tape, went down to the Hilton and was harassing them, trying to figure out where I was, and stalking me, and said that she was going to kill me. She literally said that she was going to unalive me. That's a whole nother charge. But all the things that Carmen lied about under oath, I am going to hold her accountable for those things. Your ass is going to be on the hook. I am bringing up big charges against you. So make sure you don't violate the conditions of your fucking bond. It's coming. The warrant's coming, sweetheart. It's coming. It's coming for you and anybody else who want to smoke. Anybody, because y'all all did this shit for years. And since now I'm handling up on Lakeisha and the things that she's been doing, I got time and clarity now and good health to to bring anybody up on charges who did the things that they said that I did. If I was brought up on charges and jailed and a bond was put out on me for the bullshit lies that she told, y'all actually did it. So y'all don't think y'all could go to jail? Like, if it's punishable by jail time or a bond or a warrant or whatever, it's also punishable the other way, because y'all actually did those things. So she took all the things she did to me and went down to the court, paid $20, lied, and got me brought up on charges and got a warrant, and y'all know the rest. Went to jail, spent a lot of money getting out of jail this last time, a couple of months or so ago, $2,000 that I had to pay to get out of Cobb County. They didn't just let me go. And this has just been ongoing. And I'm going to definitely hold Carmen's feet to the fire for this 100%. So Carmen's always getting away with not showing up to court when she initiated the court proceedings against someone. That is 100% true, which is why the court case against her was going on for so long with Karina. She's really playing with not going to court. She's going to find out. But it's not even about her not coming to court today, because I don't even think she was required to be at court today. I'm not sure. But this is more about me bringing Carmen up on charges for contempt of for lying under oath, and for all the damage that she has caused as a result of these fictitious charges. Listen, I've never brought any of them up on damage charges or whatever for slander, because I run my mouth myself. I'm an influencer. That's what we do. We talk about things. We talk about your tacky clothes, your burnt up food, your failed relationships, how you scamming the homeless out of millions of dollars. We talk about that. So what? Y'all talk about me. You talk about whatever it is, and I don't care. I'm not butthurt about any of that. But when you make up shit under oath and you go to court and you get somebody, a warrant put out on someone, and they go to jail and they're caught up in that shit for years, and they're out on bond, and if something happens, then they go to jail and they miss a court date, and now they're arrested. And that's exactly what happened. I missed a court date because I was hospitalized, and there was not today, a couple of months ago, and a warrant was issued for my arrest. And so I had to spend a day or two, whatever it was, in Cobb County and pay them almost $3,000 to get out. All over some lies that an influencer told because she was mad because we were exposing the shit she was doing to homeless people, and she went and told a bunch of lies and got me locked up. But that shit's going to come back to bite you, Carmen, because you have been getting away with so much stuff your entire life. And again, make no mistake about it. This is not about them, her, or any of them just talking about me, because I talk too. But when you get somebody caught up legally over some lies, and you said you were going to unalive me, that's coming back too. Don't think that that's over because you went to court. I was in the hospital, bitch. And that's well documented. I was in a hospital. I was not well, as you know. Just all the things that they've done. The fact that I had to come to court today to deal with this again, I'm definitely going to make good use of my time in this establishment today to make sure that she is brought up on the appropriate charges. I did explain to them what was going on. I also explained to them that she was just penalized and just lost a lawsuit in DeKalb County for $2.3 million for maliciously harassing all the things that she's done to Karina. All the things, sabotaging her business and, causing all kind of harm to Karina on so many levels. You want to talk about defamation. I mean, $2.3 million. She just lost a lawsuit against that. So I had to, it's my responsibility to make sure that Carmen is on the hook for all the shit that she's been off the hook up for the last couple of years. She's gotten away with so much stuff. Even the judgment that was entered against her last week for her conduct. She thinks it's a joke. That's how she thinks it's, it's all funny and it's all fun and games. But I'm not even going to touch that. I'll let Karina talk about, what's next and, the steps for that, because she was just on camera thumbing her nose once again at the law and thinking that this is all a joke. But this is not a joke, sweetheart. And you should have known that the last time I brought your ass up on charges for saying you were going to take my life just for me being on my page and talking about all the scandalous shit that you do to the homeless people. The last time they put those cuffs on you, the shit got real. But this time when they put the cuffs on you, you lied under oath. And I never took them to task for the shit that they actually did to me, like doxing my information. I never took them to task for that. So I'm adding that on to it too. It's a whole bunch of shit. It's a lot of stuff coming down the pike, big charges. And I'm not playing with her at all. I'm not playing with her at all. So I just wanted to go live. I'll go live once I leave the courthouse. I can't turn my camera on in here. Bernadette, hi lady. She said she is so ignorant. Somebody else said she deserves whatever is coming to her. Definitely, 100%. She's really playing with not going to quit. She's going to find out. I am. You can hear me. Thank you for letting me know that, because I was just looking at my settings to see if you guys can hear me. I'm not playing with Carmen. I mean business. And she can go online and make whatever videos she wants, and I'm going to definitely let them see that too. But lying under oath And then somebody said, and then her stalking you on top of it, 100%. You went down to where I lived at and was on camera searching for me after you said you were going to kill me. What? What? And then turn around and lie to the court and say, I said these things about you. You are going, bitch. I'm not playing with her at all. I'm not playing with her one bit. And I have every bit of evidence. I have every bit of all the documents that I need today to bring these charges up against her. And I will be moving forward. All right. I just wanted to let you guys know that. And I'll be on later today on our Facebook page on the new one, Suge Williams, and I'll let you guys know exactly what the charges are and what that means for her and what's coming down the pike and all that good stuff. All right. Y'all have a good rest of the morning, and I will talk to you guys in a couple of hours or so. Make sure that you like this video. Thanks. Bye.